If you're headed out any other time this week, even more layers than you probably needed yesterday.
We have weather alert days to start out the week because of the lingering impacts of the weekend winter storm and the cold and the wind chill that are going to take over through the week.
Yo, Kiss, put your tongue in this guy's mouth.
Bro, I'm gonna put some else in. That audio's it's gonna be crazy because of your noise.
Tell me about this weather right now.
It's brick as fuck, bro.
What
It actually is cold.
What does brick mean?
Brick just means it's cold.
Oh.
I think it's New York slang. I don't know. I'm from the Midwest too.
Nah, bro.
I'm Brick.
You from nowhere.
Yeah, you are brick. You always brick. I'm brick.
Mr. Brick.
Mr. Brick.
Check this out. The wind chills are actually going to drop as cold as 15 to 25 degrees below zero. 15 probably closer to downtown. 25 below will be in some of our more rural counties, but everybody's going to feel that late tonight. And then tomorrow, the extreme cold warning continues in through about midday. Wednesday, expect another below zero start. We've got those racked up really throughout the week.